We bring to you the model P50-10B Plier stapler from Bostitch. This is an outstanding stapler used worldwide for making corrugated cardboard inserts, trays, and lids, among other applications. Light and easy to hold, you can see the stapler being loaded here with the 10-30-20 staple. Next, a standard industrial air hose is attached as seen. Now you can insert the cardboard into the stapler and then depress the trigger to staple. The P50-10B is an extremely powerful stapler, so the air pressure should be regulated. Contact Boatman Marking by phone or visit our website for information on this great Bostitch product.